Safety first. One should always wear eye protection when working with solder. Failure to do so can result in serious injury. If an injury does occur, be sure to wash eyes out immediately and seek medical attention. One should be mindful of irons because they can become very hot. Lastly, ensure that you do not breathe in the fumes from the melting solder, since many solders contain lead. Preventive maintenance checks and services. First, we will check the exterior housing of the iron. Next, we will check the core to ensure there is no burns or frays. Next, check the tip. Look for cracks or corrosions. Place the tip onto the end of the iron, then secure. Ensure you do not over tighten or you could damage the threads. Next, we will discuss tinning. Tinning the tip is very important. Tinning helps to ensure proper heat transfer. Melt the tinning agent onto the end of the tip, buff off. The end result should be shiny. Surface mount soldering. For this demonstration, we will use non-solid wire. When dealing with this type of wire, it is often easier to tin the wire with solder before attempting to apply to the target location. First, at the target location, heat the pad and the old solder. Then apply the component, ensuring that you heat the component and pad sufficiently. Then remove the iron while still holding the wire in place. Buff off the area to ensure that there is no breaches. Through-hole soldering. First, place the component through the PCB. You can bend the leads slightly to ensure the component stays in place. Next, heat the leads and the pad with the iron. Ensure that both are heated adequately. Apply the solder. Failure to heat adequately either the leads or the pad will result in a cold joint.